Now, if you're ready to move beyond small commissions and earning like a pro, it's time to go premium. Welcome to Affiliate Marketing Secrets, where we reveal how to build genuine, lasting success online. I'm Richard Fontenay, your host, and in each episode, I'll share what's working today in affiliate marketing, from strategy to mindset. Join me on our other podcasts, Coaching Talks, and Speaking from the Heart. And you can find us on FontenayMagazine.com. The link is below. Today's episode will take you beyond where you are now. We're diving into high-ticket affiliate marketing, selling premium products. I'll show you how to shift from promoting a $10 item to $5,000 packages or more. How to build higher value funnels that convert. How to leverage what we discussed last week, harnessing AI and automation to make the process smoother and more scalable. And by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for confidently selling premium products, earning bigger commissions, and without burning out. We'll cover such things as understanding high-ticket affiliate marketing, building high-value funnels that convert, positioning yourself as a trusted advisor, leveraging AI and automation for scale, and a quick checklist for selling premium affiliate products. So let's get going. The first one was understanding high-ticket affiliate marketing. Let's start with the basics. High-ticket affiliate marketing simply means promoting products or services with higher price points and bigger commissions. Typically, as in my case, at least $350 or more per sale. Now, according to a 2024 Statistica report, affiliate marketing globally surpassed $17 billion, and the return on investment is really in education and in software, high-ticket items. Now, these programs pay commissions ranging from 20% to 50%, meaning one sale could equal dozens of smaller ones. As an entrepreneur and marketer, Russell Brunson once said, quote, "The same energy you spend selling a $100 product can sell a $10,000 offer. And the only difference is your confidence in the value." End of quote. For example, you might promote a premium online course, an AI-powered business platform, or a coaching program. So instead of pursuing 100 small conversions, you focus on 5 or 10 clients who genuinely want results and are willing to pay for them. And that is precisely what I did. I turned our face-to-face bricks and mortar consulting and training company into an online coaching business. And would you believe? I did it all at 79 years of age. Number 2, building high-value promises and conversions. Now, let's talk strategy. Selling premium products requires a high-value funnel that builds trust at every stage of the game. Now, here's the structure that works best for me. Number 1, a lead magnet or a webinar. Offer something of immediate value like a free marketing coaching blueprint or a masterclass. Now, I change my offers to reflect the process I'm promoting. As an example, it could be a coaching product or an ebook that I created. And number 2, nurture sequence. Automate follow-up emails using tools like an autoresponder, for instance, GetResponse, and then personalize the content based on the interest and your engagement. And number 3, value videos and case studies. Share stories of real transformations, and this builds credibility and emotional connection. Often, these are highlighted on your own. This is highlighted in our Fontenay Magazine storefront. For instance, I frequently send a prospect a free copy from our storefront that reflects an organization that may be going through a structural change. Number 4, make sure you call to action. Invite prospects to schedule a call or request and not just buy now. For example, in one of my funnels for our Visuali system, I integrated a personalized free consultation with a follow-up email sequence based on our conversation. Now, I've included the Visuali system link below for your consideration. Number 3, positioning yourself as a trusted advisor. Now, in high-ticket affiliate marketing, you're not just selling. You're entering a consulting process. And people don't buy expensive programs. They buy confidence in your recommendation. According to HubSpot's 2024 State of Marketing report, trust is the number 1 factor of influencing purchasing decisions in the digital space, way more than price and quality. Now, here's the shift in your thinking. Think of yourself not as a promoter, but as a partner to success. Create content that educates, reads honestly, and demonstrates real-world application and experience. For example, instead of saying, "This program is amazing," say something like, "Here's how this software helped a small business automate a client onboarding, saving 15 hours a week." It's tangible, relatable, and credible. And here's another example. Rather than saying, "Buy this for $15, say, "Here's how this change process helped the leadership team shift from a siloed agency to a collaborative one, incorporating a new vision and expressed values." Then add your coaching or consulting rate based on your qualifications and experience. Again, it's tangible, relatable, and credible. Number 4, leveraging AI and automation for scale. Now, remember last week's episode on AI and automation? Well, this is where it pays off. AI helps you scale your premium sales without losing personalization. Now, you can use Chatbox, for instance, a question and answer on premium products. Now, in the interest of transparency, I do not use Chatbox. I conduct virtual face-to-face interviews with my prospects. Why? Because I still find that Chatbox are still a little impersonal. AI-driven analytics is another one, and that is to identify the data. And yes, I do use analytics to help me sort out where prospects are in the funnel. And then automate video follow-ups that look personal but run 24/7. For instance, I run a short video for Life Dimensions process, and that link is also below. Now, here's an example of a colleague of mine who automatically qualifies his clients before speaking to them. The system pre-screens his interest, filters his buyers, makes appointments automatically, and focuses so that allows him to focus on the relationship. Now, my approach is different than his, as I prefer talking to my prospects and not automating them through the automation. And here's the thing. But if you can connect with AI and you are authentic, then it works. Now, here's a checklist for premium selling. Identifying premium offers in your niche, at least $350 per sale. Audit your funnel. Is it trust-driven or transaction-driven? Build a nurture sequence with AI personalization if you want to. Create at least a case study of testimonials and videos. Position yourself as a trusted advisor and not as a salesperson. Automate lead qualification and follow-up. And track conversions and improve your data, and don't allow yourself to base your thinking on assumptions. So here's your takeaway for today. High-ticket affiliate marketing is about value and not value. When you combine smart funnel design, AI automation, and a trusted personal brand, you move from chasing sales to attracting serious buyers. Now, if you're ready to level up, review your current funnel and identify just one product that you can reposition as a premium offer this week. Start small and then scale big. And if you need help, drop a comment below and I'll follow up with you. And if you found today's episode helpful, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with someone who wants to scale up in the affiliate game. And don't miss next Friday's episode. We'll continue the theme, high-ticket affiliate marketing, crafting offers that sell themselves. Now, I'll be diving deeper into designing your offer and selling stories that increase your sales rates. So until next time, keep learning, keep automating, and keep growing your affiliate business. I'm Richard Fontany, signing off for now. See you next Friday, if not before. Bye now.